Hey guys, I'm Cici and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can tell by the title of today's video, I am going to be doing a get ready with me for New Year's Eve makeup, hair, and outfit. So this is what I look like as a finishing result, and I really love this makeup look. And if you want to find out how I created this whole look, then keep on watching. For outfit, I am just wearing this black lace top with white and pairing it with this gold and black necklace, which I really like. And I like how the black lace brings more detailing and fanciness into this outfit, while the white ruffly laces bring in more of a princessy style into this outfit. And with this shirt and necklace, I'm just pairing it with some black jeans. For hair, all I did is just do a half up, half down. Now we are going to do makeup. The first thing I'm doing for makeup is using my Clinique moisturizer. So now I'm just going to be applying this over my face just to moisturize. Next, I will be applying my e.l.f. Hydrating Primer. I am just going to squeeze out maybe half a pump. And now that I am done with moisturizer and primer, now we're going to move on to some foundation. For foundation, I am just using the Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in the shade 228 Soft Tan. I'm going to sit a little bit closer so you guys can really see what I am doing. But now I am just taking a makeup foundation brush and blending that in. Now my skin is looking more flawless. Let's move on to concealer. I am taking the Almay Clear Complexion Concealer. I'm going to be using this beauty blender. Now that my concealer is done, let's move on to brows. I am going to be taking my brow brush and just brushing out my eyebrows. Now I'm going to be using my eyebrow pencil. This is the Chanel Paris Sculpting Eyebrow Pencil in the shade 30. And I just sharpened it so it's nice and ready to go. Now that I did my eyebrows, I am just going to be taking this contouring kit by Absolute New York, and I am going to be fixing up my brows so they look a little bit neater. I am going to be using this second shade here called Banana with this arched eyebrow pencil. Right now my left eyebrow is really questionable. So now my eyebrows are done, and like everybody has said, eyebrows are not twins, they are sisters, so I tried. Now I will be continue using this highlighting and contouring kit. I will be taking a mix of all three of these bottom shades for some contour. Now I'm going to be switching to this brush and taking the highlighting shade right here. Ooh, look at that beautiful glow. Now I'm going to put a little bit of this on my nose. Also a little bit on top of my Cupid's bow. Now we'll be moving to eyes, and I am taking my Make Today Beautiful eyeshadow palette. I am taking this with my eyeshadow brush. We're gonna go in with a very natural base color. Now that I have my base eyeshadow done, I will be moving on to the Bare Minerals eyeshadow pot in the shade Wonderment. This is a peachy reddish color, great for the holiday season. I'll be taking a little bit of that and just putting that in my crease and a little bit on my lid as well, and just blending that all in. Now I will be taking the shade Brave for a beautiful glam glow. I will be applying this to my inner corners and my lid. Now I'm going to be going into my eyeshadow palette right here. I actually don't know what the name of this is, so I'm sorry. And I will be taking this really light shimmery highlight shade for my inner corners. Now that that's done, I am going to be moving to mascara. First, I am going to curl my lashes with this eyelash curler. My eyelashes are not naturally curled, so they usually look like they're not there. However, I do have eyelashes, you guys. What a surprise. Now I will be taking the Marc Jacobs Major Volume Mascara in the shade 10, which is black. So yeah. And it comes in this little tube. I'm gonna get a mirror so I can actually see what I'm doing. Now I'm taking the Tarte lip paint in whatever this shade is, because it does not tell me. I am sorry, you guys, but it is this beautiful nude color. Now to finish off this look, I am taking this Bare Minerals liquid lip gloss in the shade Dreamer. It is this beautiful gold color. I use this for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day as well. So guys, that is the get ready with me for New Year's Eve look, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and you guys can even try to recreate this look yourself. I mean, it is just so stunning. And by the time you guys are watching this video, it is way past New Year's Eve, but this video will be out in the beginning of January. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And comment down below what you want to see from me next on this channel, and subscribe to join the #Glam fam if you haven't already. And I hope you guys really like this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!